Hi guys, welcome back. So the lecture is changing your hairstyle and the first step is determine your facial shape. It's generally understood that not every hairstyle will look good on everyone. This largely has to do with facial shape and features. A useful way to find your facial shape is to stand in front of a mirror and mark the outline of your face using a bar of soap or makeup pencil. You should be able to see a definitive shape. Now the next step is choose a style that complements your facial shape. Once you have determined your face shape, try to find a hairstyle that suits the shape. This maybe requires patience as you may find that you need to grow your hair longer in order to style it appropriately. Here are suggestions for styles based on your face shape. So the first one is oval face. Choose almost any hairstyle, but bangs or fringe will make your face appear rounder. And the second one, square face. Choose a softer style around your hairline. Short, tight hairstyle will play up your shape feature. Avoid parting your hair in the center. Now the next one is oblong face. Choose a balanced style. Short sides and long top will make your face look even longer. Keeping some hairstyles onto your face can help balance your facial length. And the next one is round face. Avoid sharp bangs or lots of hair swept onto the face. Now the next one is diamond shaped face. You may want to choose longer hairstyles. Avoid sharp haircuts near the ears and straight hair. And now the next one is heart shaped face. Choose longer hair. Facial hair such as a beard, mustache or goatee will also help balance the lower part of your face. And the last one is triangular face. Choose a style that adds width and volume at the top. Keeping your hair wavy or curly is a good way to add the volume. So guys, the next step is figure out your hair type. Is your hair wavy, straight, textured or curly? Is it fine, medium or thick? Is your hair wavy, straight, textured or curly? Is it fine, medium or thick? Certain hairstyles will work better with your hair's natural tendencies and can make styling easier. Now the next step is pick a hairstyle that matches your hair type. While some of these styles work with any hair texture, most work best with a specific hair type. Evaluate what your hair naturally tends to do and find hairstyle that complements those tendencies. If you have straight hair of any consistency, consider choosing the proportion high and tight. Let it grow out, flow and comb it or crop it. The proportion high and tight features very short sides while fading hair shorter into your nape and sideburns. The top should be a little longer, about an inch and a half. To style, use a gel to keep the top combed into place. Don't choose this look if you have wavy or curly hair. To let your hair grow out for a messy look, simply let your hair grow past your shoulders. Styling is simple, just towel, dry your hair and apply a little texture cream. The flow and comb start with a square cut but is longer on the sides and the top. Apply a mousse to your wet hair, then comb the hair back. Avoid this if you have curly hair. Cropped hair is essentially cut short evenly across the sides and the top. You don't really need styling products with this low maintenance cut. So guys, if you have curly or wavy hair, consider choosing a pompadour. Let it grow out or crop it. The pompadour is simply a classic haircut. The blended cut should be done to a ratio of 2 to 1, top to sides. This basically means that you should leave the sides shorter than the top, but not drastically shorter. Style with the pomade and comb the top into place. Avoid this look if you have very fine, straight or thin hair. To let your hair grow out for a messy look, simply let your hair grow past your shoulders. Styling the simple, just towel dry your hair and apply a little texture cream. For more of a bedhead look, ask your stylist to add texture and style with a hair gel. Cropped hair is essentially cut short evenly across the sides and the top. You don't really need styling products with this low maintenance cut. If you have a receding hairline, just keep your hair short. If you are feeling adventurous, you could shave everything off and possibly grow a beard or goatee. Now guys, the next step is try a variety of styles. There is no hard and fast rule about hairstyles. While these suggestions may help, You should ultimately find a style that makes you feel comfortable and like yourself. Don't be afraid to try out different styles every month or so until you find one that you really like. Now guys, the last step is choose a sideburn length. The average length of classic sideburns is the middle point of your hair, but this can adjust according to your facial features and head shape. Whatever length you choose, the sideburns should match your hairstyle. So if you have short hair, the sideburns should be kept short and well trimmed. Sideburns can be longer and thicker with a longer, looser hairstyle. Longer sideburns can actually make your face look narrower, while sideburns that are shorter than mid-ear length can have the opposite effect. Typically, shorter sideburns work well with longer faces, while longer sideburns can elongate shorter faces. So guys, thanks for listening. I hope you understand. See you in the next lecture.